Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, high-intensity discharge headlights, heated door mirrors, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. All-wheel drive enhances stability in unpredictable circumstances. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.